Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to adjust text font size in a PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF. Now I will adjust this text and this text. Firstly click on this edit option. Now click on this sidebar arrow and select edit text option. Now click on this text box and this text font size 14 and this text font size 18. Now I'll make this text 18. Now click here 18 as is. This text now see this and see this text now adjusted with this text. I'll make it bold. Yeah, this is, and also I'll add this text font size 18 and this text font size also 16. I'll make it 16 and this is 16. Yeah, in this you can adjust all of this text in your PDF file. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.